Solana is currently trading at $125. It's actually crazy to think about our, degenerate coin, our favorite coin that we used to go on Pump Fund and buy all these shitters, is slowly but surely just dying, and Pump Fund is dying as well. What exactly is going on? It's just a shit show, right? But there's a project called Solaxy, which is the first Solana layer 2, which wants to solve some of Solana's problems, right? So let's take a look at it. So Solaxy isn't a question of if, but when. So they're trying to, Solana scalability, fixed. Transaction speed, unmatched. Crypto's next major play, confirmed. Now, we've heard this before, right? Oh, it's the fastest transaction speed. Oh, it's better than Bitcoin. It's Kaspa, it's the Bitcoin killer. It's the Ethereum killer. It's this killer. It's like, oh gosh, give it a break. Cardano was supposed to do it. It didn't. A lot of these projects claim to be doing all these things, right? And sure, maybe the tech is true, but they always suck at actually having people use their platform. And again, I'm not saying, these new blockchain projects are a scam or they're not worth it, because you can actually make a lot of money with them. In fact, with the last pre-sale that we talked about on this channel, Pepe Unchained, which was a blockchain project, a lot of people made a lot of money, okay? So I wanted to share with you guys Solaxy, because it is kind of interesting. And again, is it going to overtake Solana? Hell no, I don't think so. Solana has a market cap of $64 billion, okay? This project is not going to be overtaking Solana anytime soon, right? In fact, it never will. I'll put my life on that, okay? What I will say though is I do still think that there is money to be made with this project, guys. Because listen, right now a lot of people, they hate Solana, they hate the trenches, they hate Pump Fund, right? It's like, oh my god, it ruined altcoin season, right? This project here could be that project that really brings some more eyeballs into, hey, let's try and find alternatives and maybe buy some bullish alternatives. And I think there's a huge narrative here. In fact, I'm not the only one that thinks this. There's over $26 million invested into this by retail investors, people like you and I. We are retail, okay? So that's pretty funny as well, to think that, hey, $26 million of people are invested into this from people just like you and I. So obviously there's something here. Now, again, what is this project, right? Well, first off, guys, it's the Solana layer 2, right? So what they're trying to do is be Solana's first layer 2 chain with infinite scale, the best meme coin, and multi-chain compatibility. So there's obviously utility, right? They're trying to do a bunch of different things. Like, for example, they want to have a seamless performance with our Solana layer 2, optimized for speed and scalability, while enjoying the robust liquidity and compatibility of our multi-chain token on Ethereum and Solana, right? Trying to be a meme coin galaxy, whatever, trying to have zero downtime, which is pretty interesting, right? And they have their own chain, okay? So their own chain has a bunch of different things like customization, efficiency, performance, right? Pretty interesting. So it's trying to get rid of all the failed transactions, the network congestion, the small ecosystem, and yada, 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 right? Basically just trying to improve on Solana. Now, a whole new world is just one click away. Anything is possible with SolX. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that this is actually, there's some sort of merit to this? Or is this guy right here that's getting molested by a bunch of green hands, is he just in it for a quick buck? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, again, they actually do have dev updates and stuff like that, which again, I'm not a tech nerd, so if you guys want to go through and read it, I'll leave a link down below to the website, which, by the way, on the website, you can actually go ahead and buy with crypto or with card. You can even buy on Solana as well. So with Solana, like I said, it's a pretty interesting project. They have FAQs and a bunch of different things. Go ahead and check it out, guys. And like I said, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. Now, guys, that's it for today. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care.